Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to check out two very prominent ERP systems, Odoo and Netsuite. If you're in the market for a comprehensive business management solution, this video is going to be for you. Both Odoo and Netsuite offer extensive features designed to streamline your operations. Odoo is an open source platform known for its flexibility and modular design. It's ideal for businesses seeking customizable solutions without breaking the bank. Netsuite is a cloud-based ERP system tailored for medium to large enterprises. It offers a comprehensive suite of applications, but comes with a higher price tag. Odoo, with its open source nature, provides unparalleled customization. Businesses can modify modules or develop new ones to fit their unique processes. Netsuite, while offering robust features, customization often requires professional assistance, which can add to the overall cost. When it comes to pricing, Odoo offers a free community version, making it accessible for startups and small businesses. Additional modules and enterprise features are available at rather competitive rates. Netsuite pricing starts at about $1,300 per month, plus $99 per user per month, along with implementation fees. This investment is substantial and may be more suitable for larger organizations. So if we're talking implementation and support, Odoo can be swift, especially for standard modules. However, extensive customization might extend the timeline. On the Netsuite side, implementation is thorough but can take longer due to its complexity, often requiring specialized consultants. In terms of scalability, Odoo is scalable through its modular approach, allowing businesses to add functionalities as they grow. Netsuite is designed to handle complex operations, making it a robust choice for rapidly growing enterprises. In conclusion, if you're a small to medium-sized business looking for a cost-effective, customizable solution, Odoo might be the way to go. However, if you're a larger organization seeking a comprehensive, out-of-the-box system and are prepared for significant investment, Netsuite could be your best bet. Thanks for tuning in for this quick little comparison. I hope to see you in the next video, and do consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a like.